Here's a super simple project. Grab a scrap 4x4. Now go ahead and mark it at two various lengths. In my example, I got 6.5 right here and 4.5 right here. When marking my material, I really like these Meacher mechanical pencils. They've got a built-in sharpener at the base, which is super convenient. And they work really good. They even work on metal. This pack right here is a 2-pack. It comes with red and black. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below. All right, now I'm going to mark all the rest of my sides. As you see, a real nice crisp line. Works really good. Now I'm just going to cut this out on the chop saw. Now I'm going to grab my 1 3/8 Forstner bit. If you just have a paddle bit, that'll work just as good. Now just measure about 1 inch down and 1 inch over. I'm just going to use my speed square for reference. So this section right here is almost 1 inch over and 1 inch down. So I'm just going to go by that. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Now just line your Forstner bit up with those marks that you made. Don't go too deep. Should look something like that. Now that the eyes are complete, we're going to use a foam brush here and apply some poly. I love this poly shades from Minwax. It works great. It leaves a great finish on the product. Now using a small paintbrush, we apply some white paint and then use a spackle knife to go ahead and give it this nice weathered look. To me, it almost looks like feathers, and that's kind of what I was going for. Next, we used a sanding block to knock off some more of that white paint. I also wanted to define the beak a little bit more, so here I'm using my hand plane and some sandpaper to make that beak stand out a little bit more. Overall, I like the look and turned out to be a cool little project. If you're interested in making one of these, make sure to check the link in the description to the products and all the tools used in the video. Hey, if you can, I'd really appreciate your honesty, so let me know in the comments if this is a project that you might like to take on. I'm just trying to gear more content towards either beginner friendly or more moderate stuff, so I really appreciate your feedback there. As always, I really appreciate the support, and if you enjoyed this video right here, make sure you check out these ones as well.